G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. How's it going? I know, long time no see. I haven't made a video in ages, so I apologise for that. I've had a lot of stuff go on. Hope you guys are all well. Happy 2021 and all that good stuff. Hope you guys enjoy my 5th installment of the Bad Drivers and Other Crazy Sights, I think it is. So Dirt Bike Lunatic or Motor Madness, or if anyone wants to use it in their compilations, then feel free, you have my permission to. Yeah, enjoy guys. Fucking hell, mate. Well fucking done. Yeah, you're right.
A few moments later.
Oh, they got hit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on, mate. Jeez. Oh, man. Okay. At least he apologised. What are you doing, mates? Fucking look out. What are you doing, dickhead? Mates. Really? Falling rocks indeed. Slip area. Whoa, 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 shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, so I think that's the 5th installment of the Bad Drivers and Other Crazy Sights. Honestly, I haven't been riding my bike very much, so I apologise for the short video. Yeah, that's all there is to it, really. But as you guys probably know, I broke my ankle a few months ago, so that put me off the bike for a while too. So I'll show you some x-rays. Yep, I had a moon boot for 8 weeks, I think, and I wasn't able to ride, which sucked. Anyway, but that's all good now. I'm riding now, and my ankle's better, as you can see. Yeah, so that's all from me. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links in the description. Shout out to Bobber400 if he's still watching me. And yeah, that's it from me. VCM out. Ride safe. I'll see you in the next video. VCM out.